guys, Jon Steingraber here from Signature Realty NJ Commercial Division. We are here at one of our newest listings at 127 Chestnut Street in Roselle Park, New Jersey, just a few blocks away from the train station, right in the downtown area. Excellent location. Westfield Ave and Chestnut Street is literally a block away. Here we have an awesome 3,600 square foot commercial building. We have a tenant on the first floor, an optometrist that pays in the $3,100 range. And then on the second floor, we have a vacant office space. It's available for sale for $599,000, the entire building. And it goes from here all the way to the back over there. So it's a big, big space. Two main entrances on this property, municipal parking lot right next door, and plenty of parking in the area on the street. So it's an ideal location for an owner-occupant, whether it be medical, there used to be a dentist upstairs, but it could be professional, accountant, real estate office, a lawyer, or anything else that is for office use for the second floor. Let's check it out. We're gonna walk you through the entire property. The first floor tenant is planning on staying. They have a lease, so it'd be perfect to have some income already coming in as soon as you buy this property. You could occupy the upstairs, or you could just rent it out and get around the $2,000 per month range, enjoying about a 6% cap rate on this building. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me personally at 908-868-2178, or you can call our office at 973-921-1111. Thanks.